Meaning, this idiom means that even in difficult or unpleasant situations, there is always something positive to be found. In a sentence, after losing his job, he discovered new opportunities he never considered before. Every cloud has a silver lining. Let's try another sentence. Though the storm ruined their picnic, it brought much-needed rain for the crops. Every cloud has a silver lining. Actions speak louder than words. Meaning, actions speak louder than words means that what people do is more important and meaningful than what they say. In a sentence, he promised to help, but when he showed up early to volunteer, it proved actions speak louder than words. Let's try another sentence. She didn't just talk about change, she started a charity because actions speak louder than words. Make hay while the sun shines. Meaning, this idiom means to take advantage of an opportunity while it lasts, or to act promptly while conditions are favorable. In a sentence, knowing the good weather wouldn't last, the farmers decided to make hay while the sun shines. Let's try another sentence. You should accept the job offer now. It's best to make hay while the sun shines. Subscribe for more words like this. See you.